You are aware that a lot of counter judgments from different courts in Nigeria, we can't do away with that mentioning the courts. The crisis we have in the River State is very simple. 27 lawmakers left their party to another party, and an affidavit of leaving the party. It was on the national television. People were watching. The same people went back to court. They said they didn't defend. The same person also went to court to withdraw their matter from court through the back door. Now, I saw people on the national television say they have defected from their party to another party, and they are giving a counter judgment. They are saying federal government should not, CBN should not give money to the River State government. It's not fair. And there is no court that can give that kind of judgment if you are not compromised. That means the civil servants, the civil servant, the workers, the pensioners should suffer because of one man interest. I would advise the minister to allow him to serve if he has the muscle for doing the service. Should be perfectly not instead of using court to destroy the image of Nigeria. I want to also say that it is right time the judiciary should redeem their image. As long as Nigerians can have confidence in the judiciary, because they also want to appeal to the children of Nigeria, who I believe she knows what she does, she knows the right thing to do. You cannot say that the centered one is from the Federal High Court to the Appeal Court. This is what's going to happen in Rivers State. Nobody can decide the fate of Rivers. Rivers people are taking their position. Allow Fubara to govern us as our government. That is our position. Those who are defeated, remain in your party. Remain in your party. Instead of disturbing, what now? Wike hosted them in his house, one of his house in Gojari, and they are claiming the members of PDP. When Nigerians saw these people, say would have defected to APC. And people are clapping for them. So I think the Nigeria Police Force have taken side. The last was article unit, CS, Masalachi, these are those who Wike is being used to cause less in our state. And people are clapping. So I want to appeal to Nigerians that we are very strong. He said our government is very strong and healthy. When in 2016, the right honorable Nnamdi Kanu was the Speaker of the Assembly. We have 7 members in that assembly. About 20 others lost their seat in the Appeal Court. They went for rerun. Wike presented the budget to 7 members. Did anybody cry? Wike also screened commissioner and sworn in this same state. Nobody cried. Why is Wike crying? Now he has gone through back door to say he wants to vacate, that he should get the seat of Oko-Jumbo and others vacant. Why are you not so fast? He going through the back door to not take into that person. He now knows that he knows that what he is doing is wrong. He's only trying to keep his supporters. What is happening now in Rivers is not in it. That was what Wike did to Ameachi. What goes around comes around. In the same story he's telling his people, the same story Ameachi was telling his people when he was minister. They don't waste about it. Rivers will have left Wike. We have moved forward. But my problem is the way the counter judgment is going and order. But I believe in the children of Nigeria. Let that call the judges to order. To avoid this counter judgment here and there. Because it's going to give, it's putting the judiciary in a bad light. That the judge will sit down, he will come forth and say, nobody should pay money to the River State government. And now, once because of one man, the judge should stop, people should die because of one man. And that's how this Wike is, because of power. So I want to appeal for lawmakers in APC. They should run the APC. You can't talk affidavit on oath and come back to go through the battle to withdraw it. We are watching. Let's see how it's going to end. But I know that I have confidence on the children of Nigeria. That she knows what to do. What they are doing is just buying time. He left the High Court in River State. He went to Abuja. All your abilities in Abuja because he has conquered Abuja. He has made claim that he's building a judges portal for them. He can buy them and put inside his pocket. That is the answer of Wike. He wants to buy car for the judges. We know him very well. We have served him. And we know the way he's operating. But the issue is this. They should allow peace to reign in our states. Fubara will be governor for 8 years. Wike did his tenure for 8. Wike became governor against all. Like I said before, when Adams was the speaker, a lot of bill, a lot of approval, billion, even loan. We get to grow from Access Bank, about 2 billion approved by 7 persons. Did anybody die? Nobody died. Just because you deceived your followers to go to another party. Now you know you have made a mistake. You are not trying to say they are members of PDP. You are a member of PDP, a member of APC, the same man. We have a member of the party chairman of the factional party chairman of APC from Obio-Akpor, or the factional party chairman of PDP from Obio-Akpor. The same man is controlling these 2 factional parties. because he's a very selfish person. And let me also tell Nigerians that Wike has plans to run for president in 2027. So Mr. President should be worried about Wike. Well, his plan is one. He will tell Mr. President, I want to remain in PDP. Let me hold the structure for you. There, he's doing a back follow-up on how to succeed Mr. President. He did it to ameachi. So he can do it to anybody. That is his lifestyle. So I want to appeal to Mr. President to be very worried about Nyesom, Wike, the leader of SCT. Nigerians are watching the outcome of this issue. That people who defended on the national television is everywhere, including your station. As well as they've been in court and not denying that they didn't go to court. And people are clapping for them. Someone will sit down in somewhere and say they didn't defend their members of PDP. How? And we can finally destroy PDP because of his quest for power. He has seen what Damagu is doing and destroy their party. So, but for us, we're here to protect the people and the government. You have seen the government is having government support, organic support from both people who are living here and those who are from River State. So, what are we talking about? So, what we need is continue to pray for the governor. It is good for you to say 2027. Nobody knows if you'll be alive in 2027. That is the issue. Let's wait to 2027, but nobody knows who's going to be alive in 2027. You know, our government is very healthy and strong. And you are fighting, are you strong? You know, people are. It's very lot of people that they now just see that every day you want power. There's some kind of phone call you pick, say, you start, can kill you. But you want power because you want to control them. You can't control them for a period of time. Peter Obi has what they say is rested. Ameachi today is rested. Ameachi is a lawyer. I gone to law school and finished. I got to buy. He's rested as the former minister. Wike had been minister of the state for FCT, state for education, supervising minister, governor for 8 years. God has been very faithful to him. Why not allow peace to reign in the state? Should not allow me to become council chairman. Yes. Why not? If I tell the promise Wike made to me, he will be shocked. But let's forget about it. But the issue is that we're where we are because that is how God had decided. These people are the same people centered in one place. They want to control everything that belongs to Rivers people. Why don't they not intervene to Rivers people? Why is Ameachi not intervening to Rivers? Also remember, Wike told the former Vice President, Atiku Abubakar, that he's not protesting as the government. This same Wike sent elders of Rivers State, those who claim to be elders working with him, to enter inside bus. And then the protest on the 5th of October. What is that for? It's not Sudan Union government. It's what goes around comes around. So, yes, that's life. Let me tell you, there's nothing like reverse elders. These people are serious businessmen. Now, you see the guys of Ferdinand Alabram, who was the former board chairman of the UP, cannot say the truth to Wike. And then Wike, what you do is the wrong thing. Any foreign man, because of money and power. Now look at the likes of Awuse. Told the River State Traditional that he had no regret in supporting Fubara. That he passed through the process in making Fubara government. The same Awuse went and shifted, talking to this at the same time. Olakarugu. These are the people fueling crisis in our state. Marcus Nage. These are the, so who are the elders? The only elder who have the start of to Peter Obi, Gabriel Toby. These are people at the judge. These are people who are reasonable. These people are political businessmen. They are interested in interest of their pocket, not interest of Rivers. If not, how can the man will just say, ah? But now look at the life of President Amaewhule, a man who has grown up children. The son of the former council chairman, former this, former that. You are not still straightforward to say, my brother, leave this fight. Now look at Gorand. Why is Gorand following Wike? Nobody knows. Gorand has already been made. What is the secret? Because Gorand is not supposed to even follow Wike. Because the kind of torture Wike gave to him. That's it, that these people are serious. Making whatever he gave him was part chairman in Abuja. I don't want the kind of money he gave to him. Somebody who is being respected in our state, turned into be a vigilante in Abuja. He called them Rivers elders. Now, can you mention this people I just mentioned now? None of them can say, look, what you're doing is wrong. So for us, who are part of the era of elders, we told you this. People who are elders is Peter Obi, Gabriel Toby, Ada George, and maybe a few others who saw the truth. Look at the man who said yes, former NBA president, Chijioke Ihunwo. Yes,